like how we can detect face of a persons, right? So in this sessions we are going to detect the eye of a persons, right? So first we will detect the face of a persons from an object, right? That is the from an object image of a persons, and then from that faces we are going to detect the eyes, right? You can see there are different parts of the eyes like glasses, eyeball, retina. Okay, so we can apply, we can detect the eyes from any of the like parts of the eyes, right? So let's see how we can do this one. So here I have just imported the OpenCV module, and this is the everything that I have explained in the previous classes. So to read the capture the videos from the camera, like let's suppose if you're using webcam camera, you have to use 1. If you're using inbuilt camera of your laptops, you can use 0 over here. Okay, and this is the like train model of faces. Now here I need to do one more thing, train data of like eyes. Also for eyes there is a separate train data. So first I'll call this cascade classifier, and inside this I have already stored here her cascade. So I'll just copy this one, copy the name and store over here. So this is the train model for eye detections. Now here you can see I have just read the video which we have captured over here, and then now here we have detected the face. Now inside this, see, till now we have detected the face. Inside this, what you need to do, you need to detect the eyes. So first you have to see, eyes is the part of face. It means first you need to point out the region of interest, right? So let's suppose here I am taking ROI, region of interest, equal to, and here I'll take 2 ROI gray. And as you know, like we have stored all the images inside this faces, right? Inside this variable faces. So let's see how we can do this one. And one more thing we can do. So sorry, so here just convert this frame inside the grayscale images so that we can easily apply the method. As you know, grayscale is a single channel, so as compared to like BZR channel, it is easier to work with the grayscale channel. That's why here I have converted, I'm just converting. So you know, like, so you have to use the CVT color method to convert from one channel to another channel, and I need to convert this frame, and then here I'll apply the method, that is color underscore BZR to sorry, gray. Now I'll just find out the particular region from this images, right? Sorry, so I'll use image gray, and here I'll apply slicing operations. So first you need to find out, so y plus h, this will give you the y region, y coordinate, and I need to find out the x coordinate as well. So I'll write x plus w. So this x, y, and wh we have already find it from these faces, from these faces, right? So here I have applied. After this I need to take the region of interest of grayscale images as well. So I'll just apply on this frame because this is gray image, black and white images, and this is the colored images. Still I'll use the same formula, y plus h comma x plus w. Right. Now after this, for eyes, here I'm taking eyes equal to cv2 dot, sorry, eyes equal to, and here I have inside this variable I have just like load the train model. Okay, so here I'll call this one, what is the name, train data eyes. So I'll use train data eyes dot, again same method, detect multi scale, right? And inside this, so I need to apply on ROIG gray images. Okay, now this will give you the coordinate points to detect the eyes. After this, what you need to do, we need to apply for ex comma ey comma eh comma ew, right? Xy wh, sorry, and w, and this one is the h. Okay, in eyes, then I want to draw a rectangle, so I'll call the method cv2 dot rectangle, and I want to draw the rectangle on R, like this RGB images, this region of interest. So I'll RY RGB comma, next point will be the like your first coordinate points, so ex comma, sorry, ex comma ey. Okay, now that is ex plus ew comma EY plus EH, right? And then next point will be the color. So here I'm just taking green color to detect the eyes. Next will be the, next argument will be the thickness. Okay, I think I have did one mistakes. Yeah, so you need to close this one. After this, what I'll do, I'll just, so here we have read each and everything. Now let's see if I run this one, either it's working or not. Okay, now we can see, we can easily detect the eyes of a, okay. Right now I have placed this rectangle. You want, you can place circle, okay, or any geometry of your choice, right? So in this way you can just apply. Sometimes you can see it is detecting my lips as well, right? So you can just, in that case, what you can do, just try to adjust this point, like where we have detected, where, yeah, this one here. ROI in this point, like this one, this is scale factors and neighbor factors. You can just adjust this one and just change it, right? So let me explain you one time, like what we have did, we have just first like call the train model of for eyes and the, for face, and then we have also called the train model for eyes and stored in some variable, and then inside this infinite loop, first I have read the video that we have captured like outside this loop, and then I have applied detect multi-scale like methods from these train models, okay, to detect the faces, and then it will detect the faces. Now on these faces I need to draw a rectangle, so I have to find out x, y, w, h coordinate point. So here I have iterate over these faces and then draw the rectangles. Again, to detect the eyes, what I have did inside this, so here till now we have detected the faces. Now we need to we need to for the particular reason. Okay, so first here I have just converted this frame into the grayscale images because it is easier to work on a single channel. So here just I have just extracted some part from the original images in grayscales and in the color mode, and then I have just applied the detect multi-scale on the train model of eyes to find out the eyes, and then again I have iterate over this eyes to find out the coordinate points so that we can draw the rectangles, right? So in this way, this like eye detections work. Hope all of you like got my point, right? I think it is clear to all of you. So I'll see you in the next class with some more interesting projects. So till now, bye everyone. Thank you so much.